Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start!
Today, we're going to learn how to send photos on TikTok messages. Friends, believe me, it's very easy to do this. It's similar to sending a photo or image in any other app. Pay attention to the following steps. The first thing that we have to do is open the TikTok app on our mobile device. Once we're in the main menu where all the videos uploaded by people are, we will go to the inbox icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it. Once we're in the chat, we open the conversation of the person we want to send the photo to. Now that we are inside the chat, we have two options. The first one is to send a photo taken at the moment. To do this, tap the camera icon on the left side of the chat. The second option is to send a photo that we have already saved. To do this, tap on the photo icon on the right side of the chat. Then you will have to click on Send, and you are done. The other person has already received the photo that you wanted to send.